Here we are. We're gonna do some existing conditions capture, historic building. I'm in heaven. Let's go.
Using your drone and 360 cameras, we're gonna capture the existing conditions of this building.
So the existing lights, I don't think are gonna be working. So let's make sure we got the right tools for the right job. What I'm gonna be using is the Bushman Halo and a Insta RS 1-inch, which is great in low light. Let's get into it. In large open areas like this, I just kind of do a bit of a zigzag pattern. This way it's easier for me to get an idea of where I'm going, where I've been, and just looks a lot cleaner, especially until the architectural walls start getting laid out. Then I try to follow those. Now, one of the questions people typically ask is, why would I actually take these photos? What am I gonna need it for right now? And you know, it's not necessarily what you may need it for right now, other than to communicate to other people. You know, a building like this has a lot of skeletons in their closet. You're gonna wanna just make sure you feel fully covered for everything that is out there. You can go reference things later on and just get a quick idea of what the progress kind of looks like. This is incredible. Try capturing everything here with just your phone. No reference points. I mean, you're gonna see something like that and be wondering, what the hell is that from? What floor is that on? Yeah, this is awesome. Look at this. There's a lot to document. All right, back at it. Got the camera. Let's see how long it's gonna take us to just kind of map this out. Once again, I'm walking in that zigzag pattern whenever I can. It's just gonna be easier to get an idea of what direction I went in.
In just under 5 minutes, 100 to 360 photos were mapped to that floor plan.
Upstairs. This is incredible. Check that out. Wow. This is gonna be a fun project.
There are so many small important details that you want to capture, and having context is the most important part of that.
Documenting site conditions in this scenario is amazing. I mean, just a walk with the 360 camera that took me a couple minutes, you know, hopefully pays dividends for the amount of time invested. All right, so what's also nice if you have the monopod stick, I'm gonna do a second walk at a higher height. Same one I had before, just has a little more height on it. This way, you'll be able to see things that may not be visible directly from the ground. You know, who knows, we may need to tie into some of this. Okay, now let's say you created a project and you don't even have drawings for the outside yet. You're able to capture on the exterior. So right here, GPS may vary. Okay, now the next part is I'm just gonna walk around the building with the 360 camera, catch some of these conditions. And what I'm also just gonna do, because it's gonna be hard to get a drone back here, so I'm gonna take a 360 panel.
Moving on to the exterior, all you do is select the area of interest. It will calculate the flight path to which the drone will fly autonomously. All you do is you give it a height and a location. Then you're gonna take all that data and process it later. Your final result will be a 3D model and a 2D version as well, which you can overlay site drawings or just use for basic logistics. Thank you for watching this long. My name is Brian Vizaretta. Let me know any other types of construction scenarios you would like to see.